Okay, guys. This is embarrassing.
It's already recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a very special guest. This is my cousin, Emiliana. I'll have it spelled out right here because I know it's a little bit hard to pronounce. And we're in California. You guys will probably see some of my family members or hear them around the house because we are not in my studio, so we have to improvise. But we decided to do the makeup bag swatch challenge. So I prepared this makeup bag for her,
and I brought my makeup bag that I always travel with, and you're gonna have a heart attack when you see it.
Okay then. So if you're interested in seeing how we do our makeup using each other's products, which by the way, look at how white I am and look how tan she is.
Yep.
So this is gonna be something interesting. Then keep on watching. But before we move on, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I will leave both of our Instagrams right here. She is also a travel blogger, and she's been posting a lot of really cool things to do in Southern California, so check it out. Since we are actually on vacation and we're doing things, I have also been very kind to prepare a little bag with brushes for you to use.
Thank you.
Because I know that when you travel, you probably don't bring a lot of brushes, but I don't know. We'll see.
You'll see. I know a lot about traveling and very little about makeup, so.
So let's just start off. Do you have a primer in here?
I actually don't even know what primer is, so.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I also have one of these.
Okay, yeah, you do.
So clearly I'm a sucker for
the Kardashians. Disclaimer, this is not going to be the challenge word per word, rule by rule, because we are going places and we gotta look good. And she doesn't have a primer, and I had a feeling she wasn't gonna have a primer, so I brought a few extra things for myself.
Cheating.
I know, but I have to. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild primer water really quickly.
Okay, so what's that for?
It's like kind of to prep your skin. I don't know.
Okay, if I put moisturizer on, is that the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay, I did that. I do have moisturizer in my toiletry bag.
Where?
Not in there.
Oh. I don't see sunscreen in here, and I don't think I packed sunscreen in yours, so we can both cheat this part and put a little bit of sunscreen because that's very important. Tenemos aquí mi familia de Colombia, Texas, and Miami, and California. So like I said, you guys probably hear my cousin's eating in the background. Probably hear him, my grandma. This is just a fun family reunion.
The whole family's here. Well, what kind of look is this?
Well, we're going to LA. It can be just a cute daytime glam. So that we're both like safe and we have room to fix it up if we hate it at the end of this video. So
what she's saying is she's gonna hate it with my makeup.
I actually stuck in your bag a spray.
Would that be this?
Mm-hmm.
A rose toner. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows first. I might as well. So she has this Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. What color? This is shade 3. So I don't know if you want to do your brows. Oh, did I stick a brow product in there? I think I stuck a brow gel.
Would I use this after filling them in, or this is the same thing?
Yes, that's a blow dryer in the background. That's a great like beach day product. Definitely use like a pomade or a powder or a pencil and then a gel. We're gonna do the other eyebrow off camera and we'll be back. Okay, so we have our eyebrows done. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, I might as well. So to prep, I'm gonna take this KKW concealer. She has shade 6.
And you have shade 5. Mine's gonna be quite light.
Maybe not,
right?
because I feel like my shade 5 is a little dark for me anyway. Like this is definitely more yellow tone. I'm coming. So I mean, do you ever prep your eyelids before you put eyeshadow on?
Well, I guess I don't use eyeshadow that often unless I'm going out. And I guess I would. But I also have my eyeliner tattooed, so I don't love putting concealer on because it covers it up.
Can you tell us about that, please? Okay, so she got the KKW brush too?
Yeah, I got the whole thing. Except I've never had to bring the brighten. So when you're like me and you don't know much about makeup, but you still don't want to look ugly in your everyday life, you get your eyeliner tattooed, which I guess you can't see right now. So I got it done a few years ago and I've only had to have it retouched once. Wait, you're already so far ahead. Okay, so then what?
You just use your There's a lot of noise in the background, ladies and gentlemen. I used the baking powder from KKW in shade 2. And there's baking powder.
And thank you for my handy dandy bag of brushes.
I don't know how many brushes you'll find.
I do have brushes at home in my defense.
Emiliana only has one eyeshadow brush, okay? It's from Victoria's Secret.
It is. It came in a little travel pack and I don't travel with the rest of it.
So we're gonna swap that out and cheat.
Again with the cheating.
And I'm gonna go here, but I will do you a favor and give it over to you so you can have an extra brush. All of these are pretty shimmery shades. I don't really want that right now. She has a Milani bronzer.
You have the same, don't you?
Yeah, I have one very similar at home.
I've seen it in your videos. So what am I gonna put in my crease?
I mean, I gave her a good palette.
She did.
This one.
This is the thing. I feel like I learned how to do my makeup back in like 2005 and I'm stuck in that era. You know, like when we used to wear blue eyeshadow. Who's with me?
There's actually a really pretty copper color right here that I kind of want to use.
So you gave me that last time I was in Miami.
Yeah.
And I love it. I travel with it and I use the same brush for all.
Oh my god. Use your
for all
fingers.
4 colors.
Oh, you know what? We might as well turn the lights on. All right, so the lighting is a little yellow, but it's way better because now we can actually see what the heck we're doing.
So I am supposed to cover my entire eye.
No. We're gonna hop into this yellow. I like that yellow because the other color was a little orange.
I feel like you didn't give me intermediate sized brushes.
Use your finger.
You know what? I'm just gonna go for a very natural look, guys.
So let's move on.
So you're done with your eyeshadow?
For now, I'm done with my eyeshadow, yes.
Mine looks ridiculous.
No, it doesn't. Well, my cousin Christian got here. You probably can hear him in the background.
Okay.
So we're supposed to do this on camera.
Yeah, so
How?
she also has a little gel liner.
And she has this little guy. Oh, he's gonna make a smoothie.
Can you make it in the garage?
So you don't need to like stretch out your skin? Oh my god.
But that's
spot on.
But that takes practice.
I don't know. And there goes the blender.
I think they should just be titled trying to do a tutorial with your whole family in the house.
Yeah, your entire Colombian family in the house. So is this the way I'm supposed to do mine? Wait. The sink is running.
Okay, now time for foundation. Let's see what you have. So she has this Revlon foundation, obviously too dark for me.
I think it's
Toast.
too dark for me.
Oh my god. Medium to dark BB cream.
That's my shade.
I guess we're gonna go for a little tan. Southern California glow. This is the meathead over here, Christian.
Longer.
I'm kidding, I feel like Lucas is more meatheady.
Wow, disrespect.
This is basically all I use for makeup every day. I'll put
Period.
that on and that's it. And maybe a little bit of blush. So what we have over here is these little guys.
Which are also
primer,
tinted
that was about it.
moisturizers. Oh, but that's a primer, you see?
So I'm gonna prime my skin.
Let's see how I look. I look very blotchy right now. It's a
Very tan.
blotchy kind of look.
I promise I'm not this ignorant about makeup. I just don't know how to use other people's, clearly.
I always say, if you know how to use your own makeup, then that's all that matters.
That's true.
My uncle and cousins are judging me. Well, they're all boys that play lots of sports, and I am definitely not one of those girls. Oh my god, this literally looks so bad. So we have moved on to concealer. I'm just gonna wing it. I think the shade 6 is definitely too dark for me. So we're gonna go ahead and take this baking powder, shade 2. Let's see how it goes. Personally, I think these brushes suck from KKW Beauty.
What goes into a good brush?
Like this for powder, this to me is like for blush. This is like not a powder brush at all. Like it needs to have like a little dome shape. I am very white.
Okay, so now I bake.
Oh my gosh.
See, how do you see?
But you have to get in there. Okay, so moving on to bronzer now.
I'm gonna need a lot of bronzer.
Yeah, you are very white. I feel like you're like super patchy.
So you don't bronze everywhere, or you do?
No, I do like a 3. Like that. Depends on your face shape, but that's like the most universal. So your blush is V2K.
A Colombian organic line.
This looks very similar. Either way, I'm still gonna use this as a blush, but this to me is a little bit more of a bronzer.
We have these pinks to work with. I feel like I'm definitely more of a red.
She also left me this brush, but this to me is like, I don't want it. This would be like a more body powder, I think, body bronzer.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna use a little bit more of the reddish.
This is the highlighter she has from Sephora. It's called Golden Hour. Okay, I see the glow.
This really is a video about getting ready with family around. Yeah. So what I have to work with is this Anastasia. And you left me no brush.
I will give you this brush.
So who's winning?
So this is the brush that she uses to put highlighter. This is like when I scroll up.
Like a 5th grader. Again, this is like my tiny travel pack. I have real stuff at home. Tell us the secret to highlighter.
So I always put in the inner corner for sure. Cheekbone, top of the cheekbone. If you have really open pores, I would not put in this area. Cupid's bow for sure, nose, you guys know that. So I'm gonna use a little bit of a mixture of these two shades in the waterline. Moving on to lips, I hate candy cane. Like I hate this color.
Really? Why?
I hate it on me.
Okay.
But for the spirit of the game, here I go.
What did you just do before?
Oh, I put a little bit of eyeshadow under here.
I do like doing this. This is a fun trick.
It doesn't look dark on camera right now. Don't you think it looks a little dark?
It is dark, yeah.
We've moved on to mascara. What's been your favorite thing here in California so far?
I really like Laguna Beach.
You guys seen my Laguna Beach vlog? Because if you have not, it is up here. Also, sorry about my YouTube schedule. It's so hard to actually have time to sit down and film and edit when your whole family is here. I don't want to miss out on things.
This is the amount of makeup I would wear like a special event.
It's like natural day glam.
This is not natural.
Day glam.
Glam.
Exactly, glam.
I mean, it's beautiful, obviously. Like, if I wore this much makeup, I would be like, ooh, I look great every day. So I just finished with this Kylie gloss.
I think it's literally.
It is, literally.
So she doesn't have a setting spray.
That's pretty weird. Most people have setting spray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most people do have setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I don't think mine is too bad.
No, you look beautiful.
I think you look really pretty too.
But that just shows you how it really is a mix of knowing how to do your makeup and having good products.
Yeah. Let me know in the comments down below whose makeup did you like the most?
Obviously.
I think she looks great.
Yeah, because it's great products.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Although it started off with the idea of swapping makeup bags, it kind of turned into get ready with me and my whole family on vacation. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.